What is the temperature of a refrigerator supposed to be? According to the survey I did with hundreds of people, many people don't know what the temperature of the food refrigerator is supposed to be. That alone suggests that telling your loved ones and your friends, etc., could save many lives. According to the CDC, Centers for Disease Control, the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, the food temperature refrigerator is supposed to be 40 degrees or less, or bad bacteria or something like that could easily start growing and make everybody in the family sick who eats it. Check with your doctor and pharmacist. Many different prescriptions have different temperature needs in order to still work effectively. Even the best working refrigerator cannot work correctly because of an outside of refrigerator influence, as you will see in my study.